Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the problem 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. By following the steps outlined in this video, you will learn how to simplify this expression and arrive at the correct solution. So, let's get started. Step 1. To simplify the expression 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 3, we need to understand and calculate each part of the expression separately. Begin with 2 to the power of 4. This means multiplying the number 2 by itself a total of 4 times. We start with 2 times 2, which equals 4. Then, multiply this result by 2 again, so 4 times 2 equals 8. Finally, multiply 8 by 2 one more time. 8 times 2 equals 16. Thus, 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Next, we simplify 2 to the power of 3. Start by multiplying 2 by itself a total of 3 times. First, 2 times 2 equals 4. Then, multiply 4 by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. So our expression 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 3 is altered to 16 plus 8. The next step will be to add these two results together. Step 2. Now that we have determined the values of the individual parts of our expression, which are 16 for 2 to the power of 4 and 8 for 2 to the power of 3, we proceed to add these two results together. When we add 16 and 8, we start by understanding that addition is the process of combining two numbers to get a total amount. So let's add 16 and 8 step by step. First, start with the larger number, which is 16. Next, add the smaller number 8 to 16. When you add 8 to 16, you can break it down into smaller, more manageable steps if needed. 16 plus 8 is as follows. 16 plus 2 equals 18. Now you need to add the remaining 6 from 8. So 18 plus 6 equals 24. Therefore, 16 plus 8 equals 24. This is the final step in simplifying our original expression. Simplifying the expression 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 3 results in 24. Our expression is fully simplified to the integer value 24. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.